Okay, act normal as you can for a dog's birthday.
Oh.
Hi!
Are you shitting me? You're the biggest bitch I've ever known.
Did you not
That's
get
why
my text? I canceled the costume portion because it might rain.
You freaking didn't send a text.
It is at that point I realized the entire deal was a joke and a prank, and that I got the dick over.
Did you know she was doing this?
I think she sent a text. I was still going to be the
sent a text. I
clown, but I
canceled the
thought
costume
she texted everybody not to wear costumes.
You were just collateral damage.
My very first thought is props to her.
You look absolutely gorgeous.
Mwah.
Right here. Spin around on it.
Then I'm thinking, I'm gonna beat her ass.
You really did that to my mom?
Oh, yeah, she messed with the bull. She's getting the horns.
You knew it was a dick over, didn't you?
No,
Yes,
she sent me
admit
a
it.
text. She sent me a text saying we've canceled the costume party.
What was your costume before she sent the text?
I had a wig and everything.
Listen, everyone needs to hide behind the bushes before I bring the birthday boy in to shout surprise. Pumps, if you could lead the party in that. Everyone, come on, Pumps, be a leader. Be a leader.
All right, everybody hide for little Tubby. We have to surprise him, okay?
I'm not surprising, Tubby.
Everybody
Pumps, I
down.
want you to lead the charge.
The slideshow's right there, Angie.
Shut up.
Everybody down. Everybody down. On the count of 3. Hang on, wait till he gets in the gazebo. Everybody shut it. Shut it. All right, ready? 2, 3. Surprise!